Working with military mapping or imagery and got an MIL raster file to view, these specialized images use military standard formats for geospatial intelligence. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to open these military raster image files. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents even when the MIL format fails. More on this later. A user encountering a .mil file is likely dealing with a specialized raster image, often used in technical documentation, military applications, or engineering. The primary goal is to view or convert this legacy graphic into a more common format like PNG or JPG for easier sharing and use. The CALS Raster format is a bitmap image standard designed for interchangeability and long-term archival, particularly within government and defense sectors. It's a binary format, often uncompressed, prioritizing data integrity and strict adherence to the standard over file size, ensuring documents can be read decades later. To open MIL correctly, try IrfanView or FIRST. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows gives you basic access, but any artistic or technical editing must happen in imaging software. To resolve this, right-click your MIL file and choose Open With. Pick an app that fits the file's category, IrfanView or as a general bucket, then test other options until it opens. If your MIL file will not open, do not worry. We didn't have luck with the basic application. Let's quickly pivot and execute these 3 targeted actions to find the core of the problem. First, opening with image viewers. Try IrfanView or XNView MP, which support various raster formats including some military image formats. Open the MIL file directly to view the raster content. These viewers handle common image data within military format containers, though specialized metadata may not be fully interpreted without dedicated military imagery software. Next, using GIS software. Open MIL files in GIS applications like QGIS or ArcGIS Pro, which support various raster formats with proper plugins. The GIS software preserves geographic referencing if present in the MIL file, enabling proper map display analysis and integration with other geospatial data layers for intelligence and mapping workflows. Finally, converting with GDAL. Use GDAL Geospatial Data Abstraction Library to convert MIL files to standard formats like GeoTIFF. Run GDAL.translate input.mil, output.tiff to create a standard format version. GDAL supports many military image format variants, making it valuable for working with classified and unclassified military imagery archives. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagick, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.